Get ready to be royally impressed. For over 70 years, Queen Elizabeth II reigned supreme, earning her place in history as the longest reigning British monarch. Queen Elizabeth II, whose full name was Elizabeth Alexandra Mary, was born in 1926 and became heir apparent at the age of 10 when her uncle Edward VIII abdicated. She ascended the throne in 1952 and served for 70 years, a reign marked by a strong sense of duty and service. Princess Elizabeth's life was forever changed when she ascended to the throne at just 25. She became the face of a new era for the British monarchy. Queen Elizabeth II wasn't afraid to shake things up. She modernized the monarchy, embracing technology and changing social norms. She remained a steadfast figurehead for the United Kingdom. She was a dedicated head of the Commonwealth, linking over 2 billion people worldwide. She traveled extensively, representing Britain and the Commonwealth on diplomatic missions. The Queen was a master diplomat, hosting state visits. Her coronation took place in Westminster Abbey in 1953. She was served by 15 prime ministers during her reign. Her presence was a symbol of international cooperation. Her reign was characterized by a strong sense of duty and service, and she became a symbol of national unity and stability. Despite her royal duties, Queen Elizabeth II prioritized her family. She married Prince Philip and had 4 children, showing the world what it means to balance work and family. Queen Elizabeth II's legacy is one of duty, dedication and service. She's an iconic figure symbolizing the history and traditions of the United Kingdom. Queen Elizabeth II's story is a testament to the power of duty and dedication. Her legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. Loved the story? Like and subscribe for more epic tales of history and royalty.